Hello, I'm back to the Dr. Fog Maths Adventure. Let's have a look where we're going now. We have already explored the 1 times table. We have already explored the 2 times table. And now we need to explore the 3 times table. This is a house with a 3 times table made inside. Let's see if we can do this one. Okay, 1 times 3. If I think it's 1, we'll go here. If you think it's 3, we go there. 1 times 3 is... That's right. 1 times 3 is 3. We'll go here. This house of cool pictures. Wow, I love that. That light. Okay, let's see some more doors. Let's have a look. What do we have here? 2 times 3. 2 times 3, is that 5? Or is it 6? 2 times 3. What do you think the answer might be? That's right. 2 times 3 is like 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or you could say 3 plus 3. And 3 plus 3 we know is 6. Okay, 3 times 3, which is like 3 plus 3 plus 3. Is the answer 8? Or is the answer 9? 3 times 3. Of course, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so it must be this way. Wow, this is such a cool house. So many books to read. I love the lights and the loads of pictures. Okay, let's see what's up here, shall we? See the hand and the man. Oh, and that looks an interesting picture. 3 times 4. So it's like 4 plus 4 plus 4. Is it 12? Or is it 11? 4 times 3. That's right, it is 12. We go this way. Wow, what an amazing pictures. About 5 times 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Does that make 14? Or does that make 15? Well, we know 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. We have to go that way. Is it 16? Or is it 18? 6 plus 3. Is it like saying 6 plus 6 plus 6. Well, we know 6 plus 6 is 12. And we know another 12 plus 6 is 18. So it must be this way. Let's go. Oh. 7 times 3. So that is 7 plus 7 plus 7. Is it 19 or is it 21? Well, 7 plus 7 is 14, and it goes 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's this way, isn't it? What could that be? 8 plus 8 is it 25 or is it 24? 8 plus 8, that would be 16. Plus another 8 would make what? 24. You are correct. 8 times 3, 24. Nine times 3. That's 9 plus 9 plus 9. Is it 27 or is it 29? 9 times 3. What do you think? That's right. 9 plus 9 plus 9 makes 27. Let's go this way. Oh, 10 times 3, that's 10 plus 10 plus 10. Does that make 30? Or does that make 29? 10 times 3. That's right, you got it right. It's time. It's to 30, because if it's in a 10 times table, we know that it always ends in a 0. So 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30. We go this way. Aha! 11 times 3. Is it 31? Or is it 33? 11 times 3. Yep, 11 plus 11 is 22. Plus 11 more is 33. Let's go. Oh, up more stairs. Where are we going? It's such a cool house. Okay, we're almost there. 12 times 3. Is it 34? Or is it 36? 12 times 3. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Well, we know that from what we did before, we know that 2 times 3 make 6. We know. 3 times 10 makes 30, so it's 36. 12 times 3, 36. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Diving board. Jump over the edge and go into a swimming pool. Woohoo! Now that sounds fun. I hope I can get out. Here goes. Whee! Please take a Minecraft and place it on the track and push off. Okay. I will do that now. Hoppa. Where are we going? Oh dear. Okay, let's try something different. Okay. Let's walk. Whee! Okay, where's this power? Where's this amazing track lead us to? Oh, be careful there. Wow. What a view! And then down we go. Wow, what a drop. Oh. There's a nice horse. If anyone can tell me how to use a powered Minecraft in the comments, I'll be very pleased. Because then I wouldn't have to walk so far. Wonder where this takes me to. Okay. And then is it I end up at number 4, which is our next exciting adventure. So, I hope to see you all again very, very soon. Bye.